Hello friends, welcome back to the Python exercise series. In this lesson, we have to print the multiplication table of the input number. Suppose that if we take the input number as 3, then we have to multiply 3 starting from 1 till 10. The look and feel of this table should look like this. So let us start writing the code for this problem. And we will start accepting the number first. We will be taking the input of the number and then typecast it. So we'll say user that input a number. So once the number input is taken, then we will do the typecast, which is been done now. And now we have to write down the for loop. So we will say that for I in range starting from 1 till 11. Why I set upper limit as 11? Because we know that upper limit is always excluded, so this range object is going to return us number from 1 till 10. And now we have to format the output, so we will say that print format the output, and in here I will place the num, and then it is multiplied by the value of I, and it should be equals to num into I. So the program is solved. And now we are good to execute this code. So the input of the number, let's suppose, is 3, and it gives us this multiplication table. Now we can re-execute with another number and it gives us the multiplication table of number 5.